a lot of like things had changed post my marriage. So I couldn't cope up and I had to leave like the job. And then I was just freelancing. And currently I've been working with Skoda Volkswagen. It's an automobile industry as an ergonomist. But along with this, I continue to work into clinical post in the evening time.
Acha, very good.
So yes, because I never wanted to lose on my clinical touch. ठीक है, everything is fine, but rightly said that शेर जंगल में ही शेर होता है. So
Exactly.
हम हमारे clinic, hospital, whatever it is, there only we are like best, our
Correct.
best we can perform there. Job right now is also going good, but still the clinical thing I keep missing. 3 years back, I completed level 1 program during COVID time, and I wanted to do level 2 program, but couldn't do because of family responsibility, kids responsibility. करना है, नहीं करना है, yes, no, yes, no. But this also changed my mindset. I thought that this is the right time and I should now do it. Abhi nahi to kabhi nahi. I was always feeling that no, I should have my own independent clinic. So वो हमेशा सवाल रहता था कि how to start, what all things from basic, the infra, the management thing. So this physiopreneur course is like so MBA में जैसे verticals होते हैं.
Correct.
So there is operations, there is this. So this is MBA in physiotherapy. I felt that all verticals, jo HR, operations, everything has been covered. I mean, so beautifully designed, and like not everyone is keen to share your secrets.
Right.
But you all are so selflessly doing it. I mean, really.
Thank you. Thank you so
So, and you guys are literally sharing your USP. What else I can say? And yes, I'm planning to have my like set my own practice very soon. Looking forward to that now.
Yeah, do that, do that.
Yes.
They should definitely do this course because this course is not it gives you what you say. In many of the patients, like they do only few sessions and then it's done. But this it focuses on patients giving optimum results to the patient by continuing a number of like sessions, like minimum 30 sessions, because I've never seen that even in my internship, during my internship in the hospitals, or during my master's also. They would just come for few sessions and that's it, and no one cares they come, they don't come or not. Like I don't have a work experience now after my master's, but yeah, there is this confidence, like the seed blended kind of like feeling is in there, and I have to fed that going forward, following ma'am's protocol. I have to fed that I'll do good. Yeah.
So let's become the legendary now. Chalo, good night, bye bye, and wish you all the very best. Yeah.